Hello all my crafty friends, Rebecca here. I am Mama24. Thank you for joining me at my channel again today. I have got a really fun cat journal to share with you. I use the My Mind's Eye Meow collection. I bought the partial collection from Peachy Cheap as one of their deals probably 2 years ago, and I finally broke it out and I killed this kit. I am so proud of myself. I used every last scrap and I made this cute little chunky journal. So I thought it would probably be simpler to just show you what I used before I show you the journal, just so that I'm not skipping back and forth all the time. So this is the collection that I used. It's the 6x6 paper pad that came with the kit that I got from Peachy Cheap. And this is what's left of my paper pad. Yes, I'm so proud of myself. This is super cute paper in the kitty theme, and it's double-sided. So this is what the paper pad looks like. 24 sheets, double-sided. The Meow collection, super cute. And also in that pack came the 6x12 cardstock stickers, the 3x4 journaling cards, and also an ephemera pack. But I even upcycled the packaging of those stickers and ephemera, and they are in my journal here. The packaging itself was just so cute, I had to reuse it. And I'm just going to quickly show you the dies that I ended up using in my journal. I used this die here from Avery Elle. This is called the Photo Mat die, and I just cut out some frames from this die here. I also used this Treat Tag die by MFT. I used my basics dies from Alexandra Renke. These are called the Labels Ones dies. And I used the box from this Mama Elephant set here. I love this set. I reach for this one over and over again. And I used these Hero Arts Infinity dies. This is the Nested Frames Cuts. This is the tags, 8 pieces in here. I also reach for this one time and time again. I used these unbranded dies. Here I used the little kitty cat and also a couple of these tab dies. These dies are off-brand. They were probably bought off of eBay. I reused the packaging because it's shaped like kitty ears and it says Meow here, like the Meow collection. I made some Flair with my button making machine using the paper scraps. They turned out super cute. I made 15 of them and they fit perfectly in here. And the little part where they came in for the cat's head, I wrapped twine around. This is the packaging from the 50 count ephemera pack. This is what comes in the ephemera pack. So I just thought that the packaging was so cute, I had to gift this with the journal. All right, so let's dive into my journal here. The covers are made out of chipboard, and I bound it with my Cinch binding machine, and the spiral coil is a black 1-inch spiral. I punched all of the pages with my Cinch. I used one of the journaling cards and matted it on the cover here. I covered my chipboard with the patterned paper from the collection, both sides and the front and the back covers. The size of the journal is 6 by 4.5. I went with 4.5 so that there'd be a little bit of grace here for the binding, and a 4x6 picture would still be able to be put into the journal without the binding interfering. So this is the front cover. I just put some cute little kitty paws on the All You Need Is a Love and a Cat. This is going to my sister who recently adopted a little girl kitten. So the pink in this was just perfect to make a little journal for Luna. So let's go inside. On the cover here, I used one of those clear pockets from the Target Dollar Spot. I am lucky enough to have some friends in the States who have Targets and have gifted me with some of those. Here is one of those frames that I showed you from the Avery L die set. Some journaling cards and some stickers. This is one of the journaling cards, and I just punched it to fit into there. The back of the journaling cards are also decorated. I put this little mouse sticker on there. Here is my first page, and I have this little kitty here with the bow tie on, and I've just stuck some journaling cards and a frame here so that she knows that she can put a photo here. The cat isn't glued down all the way, so she can stuff stuff down behind the kitty cat. Going to the next page, it's another one for a photo, and I haven't stuck all of the ephemera down again just so that she can get whatever she wants to slip behind there. This one, the paper was just so pretty, I left it plain. But this one is my first pocket page, so this one I left at 6 by 6 and scored it at 1.5 to give it this pocket. And I created also with my scraps this cute little day of the week book, and I bound it with some black and white twine, put a journaling card on the front here, I love cats, and this just is the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, here's the middle with the binding, Thursday, Friday, and of course my favorite, Catterday. So they did have a Saturday sticker, but I put the Catterday over it. I thought that was pretty cute. And that just goes right in there. And here is another cute little kitty cat with some journaling cards and a tag. Yeah, so like I mentioned, all of these are double-sided papers, so lots and lots of space for photos and journaling. The paper is so cute. I love the green in here, the olive green. Here's another kitty cat with some tags and journaling card. Here is a half page. I made a couple of these. Here's the tab that I showed you. Just says Catitude and some room for journaling on the back. This page here, again, not all the way tacked down. And this is another pocket page. This one just has some more journaling cards and some tags and photo mats that I used again from my scraps. So this was paper strips that I just glued onto some chipboard and made some fun little photo mats. Here I have that little kitty in a box from that box die I showed you from Mama Elephant with some yarn, and here's that cute little kitty cat. And this is another tag and journaling spot. Next page just has some stickers and a journaling card tucked in there. Here is that cute little treat tag die, and this one I have packaged up with the leftover stickers. I just fussy cut the 6 by 12 remaining stickers from the collection and tucked them into here. And there's some more tags made out of the scraps and journaling cards. Here is another journaling card that I just put into the binding. This one is a little kitty cat holding some more tags, journaling cards, and another frame. I love this little journaling card. It says, "Cat hair is cool, people glitter." And this one is holding another tag and some journaling cards. Here is the packaging from the journaling cards, and again I wrapped twine around the little indent from where the head is. The packaging is just so cute. So there's 24 double-sided journal cards. I did cut the bottom of the packaging off just so it could fit into my journal. So the barcode is what I had to cut off. And here are the leftover die cuts from the paper pad, and also some tiny, tiny little tags that I made myself, as well as some of those cute little kitty cat die cuts that I showed you from that eBay die with a singing cat. This one just has the cute paper. Here is another half page and another tab to turn that one over. This one says Life is Perfect and Cat Lady on this tag here. You can slip something underneath. This kitty cat is holding some more frames and tags and journaling cards, as well as this one. And this one I've bound in this journaling card. And here is the back cover. And again, I've put one of those clear Target dollar spot pockets in there. And I've put some journaling cards as well as some more tags into this one. And then on the back cover, I just stamped Handmade by Rebecca. I am Mama 240. I really like the spiral bound rather than the binding with the cinch or the bind it all that you have to pinch together, because I find with the ones that you pinch together, when you turn the pages, they want to slip out anyway, but these with the coil, the spiral coil, they stay in really nicely and they turn very nicely. I have no problems flipping back and forth. Where I cut, I just put a little bit of a crimp and that stops it from like uncoiling. So there is my cute little kitty journal made with the My Mind's Eye Meow collection. Thank you all so much for watching. I will try my best to link all of the products that I used in today's project in the description box of my video. Some of the links that I do provide are affiliate links, and I really appreciate you clicking and shopping through the affiliate links. If you purchase by clicking through one of my links, it does give me a small commission so that I can continue to bring you tutorials and haul videos here on my crafting YouTube channel. I'm really curious, what do you guys use your paper scraps for? This little button machine has been an awesome way for me to use up some of my paper scraps. I also love to do the stripped paper tags and die cutting whatever I can, or making a pocket or something to stick more stuff in for the recipient to maybe make some more embellishments with. I'm really curious to know what you guys use your scraps for. Thanks so much for tuning in. I will be back with you all in another video soon. Bye-bye, everybody.